Thanks for clicking on the video. Like, subscribe, and share if you find this useful or interesting. So I just released the video where I made this, and as soon as I was done, of course, I realized how blind I had been, because I normally work on just a few surfaces at once in my model, and so I never really had to do this many segments all at once. So what I just did is I wrote a tool that makes a lot of the segments all together. So if we go back to our original cubic surfaces, and I'm going to hide the blend previews, I just showed, I spent 8 minutes making all the little bits and pieces of these curves. In step one, I did all of these in the middle, and then I did all of these. And so there was a lot of clicking. I just updated the tool. It's the same tool, but now it has a batch method. Here's how the batch method works. You click this face, and you still have to be careful. I'm going to click all 3 of these pieces, and then I'm going to keep going counterclockwise. Hit all 3 of these pieces. So I have selected 7 things. You've got to be careful. The entire face, the entire edge in 3 pieces, and then the other edge. And you have to do them in order right now. And then I hit the tool, and it just makes all 5 faces. So it's a lot faster. Now, when you do it this way, you will have to, every time the piece that comes first will be the piece in the middle, then the piece on the bottom, on the right, on the top, on here. So you'll have to, when you make your, you'll still want to make folders. Oh, I hope it doesn't screw me up. That's fun. I'll put it back here. Turn this back on. That was scary. Okay, when you use this method, it'll make the 5 segments at a time, and then the first one will be the one that needs to go into the grids to restore, and all 4 of these pieces need to go into edge grids to blend. All right, I hope you find this useful, and I can't believe it took me this long to write this tool. All right, bye.